yeah. And we can correct this and change this and start something new. So why follow these gases that we making? Better than a demon, polluting the environment and everything we breathing. It's better than you thinking. All of this shooting, so I'm just coolin', starting a new movement, trying to change up. I'm going green now. Stop planting stuff and stop chopping them trees down. Think on what you need now. Life is real, it's easy to wake up and find out your man got killed. It's hard to know people okay with all this killing. Don't you get that feeling, knowing that thing was living? And you can be that victim, sleeping without a home, knowing you killing your own world, your biodome.
Maybe we can correct this, live in this world correctly. Be all that we can be, and we'll see. Maybe we'll set this world free. You and me. Baby, you know this ain't bad. When we living and we breathing in this terrible land, we gotta treat our world with care, or else we don't have a world to share. Cause every day in life we come across a price where we have to sacrifice to save each other's lives. Now take the lead. Maybe we can correct this, live in this world correctly. Be all that we can be, and we'll see. Maybe we'll set this world free.
This is the movement. 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 This is the movement.
Alright.
Oh, so why would you really blow it out? That's our only light.